Alright guys, so it is week 2 hairstyle 2, and I wanted this week's hairstyle to be something simple because we don't always have time to wait 2 or 3 days, you know, for our hair to dry before we can do anything else to it. This right here, the side swoop and the bun, is something super quick and easy. You can dress it up or down. You know, you can have on a dress, heels, however you know you dress up, or you can use it to run errands. Like for me, I have to go run errands today. This style was perfect. And if I wasn't filming, it would have took me an even shorter amount of time to, you know, complete it. I also will keep my hair, you know, tied up until I get to my destination, just to give it a little bit more time to set. But anyway, you guys, let me just show y'all how I achieved this super easy hairstyle. So I wanted to show a clip in real time how I do my slick back bun. So I did slow down this clip so that way you guys can see just about how long I take to do it. And as y'all can see, I'm taking my time. I'm using multiple tools on my hair to achieve this look and to get my hair as flat as possible. And as y'all can see, I'm doing my hair in about 3 big sections because I've learned that water is really our best friend, especially when it comes to being natural. So I've been able to do less sections and still achieve a flat look, as before I used to do so many small sections and it would take up so much time. So I guess it just goes to show, once you start learning your hair and learning to manage it, take care of it, you'll see some of the best results. And I also wanted to mention that I am not adding multiple scrunchies. I know a lot of people do that, but for me, I just see no purpose in it. I still pretty much get the same result when I just keep, you know, re-putting the same scrunchie back on. as y'all can see, I'm starting off on hair that hasn't been shampooed yet. I usually do this at the end of my work week. I'll put my hair in a bun or something. If I feel like it's not worth redoing my curls or refreshing my curls, I'll just throw it in a bun, and then I'll wash my hair on my off days. So I wanted to make this week 2's hairstyle so you guys can see a bun hairstyle. And for my swoop, I use the smallest amount of hair that I could use, because I realized that I used to take bigger sections and I hated the results. So I started experimenting with my hair, and I noticed that when I used a smaller section, it always came out good. And so that's why y'all see a super small section of my hair. That's all I use to do my side part. And as y'all can see, I'm switching between a comb, a brush, until I get the result that I want. And for the finishing touches, I'm just using some Gotta Be glue, and I like to put that over my swoop and to do my edges, and it just makes it so flat, especially when you tie your hair down for a few minutes. Yes, guys, 3 scarves is necessary for me. Every time you see me tie my hair, I'm going to use about 3 scarves. You need 1 for your edges and then the other 2 to get it as flat as possible. And it's as easy as that.